Hi guys, KingRick24 here. So I'm gonna do this review on this Surface 3 Pro. So this Surface 3 Pro, this is what you're gonna have. Well, you're not gonna have this in the box, so this is what you're gonna receive. Alright, so you're gonna receive the actual tablet, and also you'll get the stylus pen that's included, and also you get the charger. So the charger here, and what's nice about it, it comes with a USB port right here. Well, that's gonna be the attachment to plug into your wall, so it'll connect through here. Alright, so this USB port here is gonna be used for charging your mobile devices. So for example, you have an iPhone, Windows phone, or maybe a Samsung Galaxy phone. You'll be able to plug in the adapter that comes with your phone to use that USB port and then use it to charge it. Alright, so with this Surface 3 Pro right here, you get a 12-inch screen. So look at the screen here, the 12-inch screen with a resolution of 2060 by 1440, and also you get a battery life up to 9 hours of web browsing. And see how thin this model here, I like about it, because it's gonna be kind of close to an iPad, but I don't think it's gonna be as thin as the iPad. Anyways, it comes with the 4th gen Intel processor, so you could be able to choose between a i3 Intel core or an i5 or i7. So with the i3, you'll get a 1.5 gigahertz processor, and then you won't be able to max out with that because it doesn't have a turbo boost technology, so it's just going to be at 1.5 gigahertz. It will come with a Intel 4200 graphics chip, and with the i5 processor, it'll come with 1.9 gigahertz with overclocking, so you get turbo boost technology up to 2.9 gigahertz. And with the graphics, you'll get an Intel 4400 chip, and with the Intel Core i7, you get 1.7 gigahertz, but it overclocks to 3.3 gigahertz with turbo boost technology. And the Intel graphics chip, it's going to be the 5000 model. Alright, so with that, the model that I chose was the Intel Core i5 with 1.9 gigahertz. Sorry about that. That would have been nice if it was a 9.9 gigahertz. But anyways, those are the models you could choose from. So this is what you get when you open up the box. You get your power adapter here, and you'll get your tablet here. And also you get a stylus pen that comes included with this. With the stylus pen, you can use it with OneNote. So you tap this button here, and then OneNote is going to open up on your tablet. Alright, and so it comes with Windows 8.1 Pro, and also with the tablet here, you get a 5.0 megapixel camera facing, and also in the back you get a 5 megapixel rear camera. So, and it comes, you see the tiny holes, that's gonna be the mic. So if you're recording maybe a selfie, or maybe if you want to record some or take photos, something outside. So if you don't have your camera with you, you could be able to use that. But usually you would have your phone with you all the time. So that's only useful when you don't have your, no cameras or phones nearby. You could use that. Another thing, you get an you could be able to purchase an accessory. It's going to be the keyboard here. So this is going to be separate. What I like about this keyboard is one, it lights up when it's in dark setting. well, it lights up no matter what when you use it. So, and then also you get this trackpad here, so you can use the mouse, and also you get this attachment here. Well, usually this part here needs to go up here, but I put it here for because I wanted to make it different from what the instruction shows you where to put it, what's recommended. So I have it right here, so I can have my pen be like that. So, alright, so what's nice about this keyboard is light, thin, and you can use it as a cover. So one, you can snap it on. So see how easily that snaps on? It's because it has a magnet on here, and it magnetizes to the tablet. So now you could close your tablet and be able to carry it with you, and then you could walk to wherever you want, you're heading. So for example, you're going to school, anything like that, you could be able to use that. And also another cool thing with the Surface 3 Pro is that it has a kickstand here. So be able to use the kickstand and be able to see how far you could be able to go. So it gives you a certain angle that you want to go with. And here you go. Alright, so you get different angles with that kickstand. Alright, and with the Surface 3 Pro, you'll get a USB 3.0 right here. You'll get a mini display port, and also this here, at first I thought it was a SD slot, but it's not. This here is for your charger. So if you're planning on charging your device, I'll show you here. Let me get the charger. And this is how the charger looks like here. So what's nice about this charger is that in case you charge it, there's no right or wrong, depending how you want it. So it's magnetized. See how it just connects there, and you can unplug it and switch it to a different side. So depending if you're sitting in a certain way where it's going to bother you, you could switch it the way you want it to be switched at. Alright, and also here you get your power button here. If you could see, I think the camera is getting a hard time focusing. Alright, so yeah, so you get the power button here. You just press that power button and then it'll turn on here. And also here you get your headphone jack. And also there's another button right here. This button here would be the volume up and down. And another thing, when you open up this kickstand, see this little tiny slot here? That's gonna be the micro USB, SD card. Sorry, I said USB. But anyways, yeah. So that's gonna be the external part of the product. Alright, so this is a tablet here. You're about to rotate it if you need to. Alright, and when you unlock it, and let me go ahead and unlock it with my passcode. Alright, so this is just my desktop here, but usually it would load up with your widgets. So with the widgets, you can be able to customize it by just holding down and then moving the icons around, and be able to choose the ones that you want. And also you have your installation, your software here that's installed, and be able to choose which one you want to put into your startup screen. So if you're wondering my background's different from the default. That's my my Operations Gain Fitness website. That's my logo here. So if you're thinking of wanting to know where to get this, you could be able to go to our Facebook page and be able to make this as your desktop. It looks pretty cool. It kind of reminds me of Punisher, but that's our logo there. So that's a different topic, and we're just going off topic here. Anyways, alright, so you get your keyboard. You get to snap it on here, and you'll notice the keyboard will light up. See how it lights up? And what's cool with this Surface Pro, you get to use the kickstand when you want to use the keyboard. So now you're about to use it as a laptop. There you go. And then whenever you want to switch back to a tablet, you just pull it, and now you're back as a tablet. I'm about to use it as a tablet. And it does come with the on-screen keyboard. So for example, we'll just click on the Facebook here, and you want to update your status, there you get the touchscreen keyboard. So it's pretty cool. You can split the keyboard or keep it as a default, but I'll go more into depth once I create a second video. So alright, so this is just a quick overview about it. And so the pros and cons. Alright, so the pros, it's a tablet and a computer at the same time. So what's nice about it, because I was thinking getting an iPad, but the downside of an iPad is that you can't use it for creating websites. You could use it if the websites are already been created and be able to update status and stuff like that, but other than that, you can't create a full detailed website from scratch. So and plus it doesn't come with like website builder software. So you could search on the App Store for the iPad, but the reason why I went with the Surface Pro is that I just don't want to be downloading an app to create my website. I want to actually go like, you know, deep detail, be able to edit the, you know, the PHP codes or HTML codes and be able to do that. Or if I want to create Flash, I could be able to run a Flash application. Or maybe if I want to use a third-party software to create my website, I'm about to do that too as well. But anyways, the reason why I got this Surface Pro over an iPad is because I wanted a computer and a tablet at the same time. I have a lot of Apple product. I have an iMac, a MacBook Pro, an iPad mini, an iPhone, but the reason why I didn't get the new iPad is because one, it's not a computer, it's just a tablet, so I won't be able to do anything customizable. Two, second thing, I'm creating my website, so when making a website, you need an actual computer to be able to do it. You could do it, say if you have WordPress, yeah, it's easy because you could use your tablet to manage the WordPress. But if you're gonna do more like advanced work, then you need a computer. So one, I didn't want to purchase a MacBook Pro or an MacBook Air because, you know, it's the reason why a lot of the software out there is mainly with Windows. But you know, I just got the Surface Pro. I like it. I have nothing bad about it. I'm still getting the hang of it. I'm still a Mac user, but you know, I could go both ways. I have no issues with both platforms because you know, I love technology and I could adapt with both. But anyways, another thing, the cons about this keyboard here. So if you take a look, right, I'll show you here. My hands tends to sweat. So if you look here, you'll notice there's some smudges right there, right here. So if you're typing, you'll notice all your smudges showing up on the keyboard. But the good thing, you can just buy it. That's the easy fix. Just purchase a rag or just use your shirt or something like that. Wipe it down to get rid of those smudges. But you know, sometimes it bothers me seeing that smudge when I'm trying to type. These people will be like, "Wow, your keyboard looks dirty," because you see all those smudges. And another con about it would be, if you want to use this product on a bed and use the actual physical keyboard, you need to use the kickstand, because without the kickstand, it's just gonna flop down like this, and you won't be able to work on something. I understand, you know, you'll be telling me, well, just remove the keyboard and use the on-screen keyboard. Well, sometimes the reason why I don't want to use the on-screen keyboard, it takes up so much space. Since I'm already using a 12-inch screen, it takes up so much space, and I want to see everything what I'm doing. So I tend to use the hard keyboard instead. I know as a tablet, you're supposed to, you know, use it without the keyboard, on the actual physical keyboard. But you know, that's just my preference. Everyone has different ways of using this tablet here. But there's an accessory you could purchase. So with this accessory here, this is third-party accessory. You could be able to purchase it and be able to use your keyboard, your hard keyboard, and your tablet at the same time without using the on-screen keyboard. So I'll show you here. So it's just an accessory that you could purchase. It'd probably be extra, but I mean, it's up to you. It's just everyone has a different preference here. So you could just snap it on here and boom, now you don't need to worry about the kickstand. You could change the angle by just going, just moving it around, and you could change the angle. But I mean, with this accessory here, it's gonna have a flat surface right here, so you could have your knees down here and be able to use it. Or say if you're on the couch, you want to use the hard keyboard, like say if you were typing an actual essay or something like that on Word, you could be able to use this accessory here and be able to type your project or whatever essay you're working on for school. But yeah, so you can still close it and be able to use it as a full case with the keyboard on there. So the reason why I liked about this case is it's light, it's not heavy, and I needed a protection as well, so that I know it protects the front keyboard is already protecting the front of the screen, but what if I want my whole tablet, like the backside, protected? And that's why I purchased this little accessory here. So it's just optional. I'm not sure if you guys want to use it or purchase this type of third-party accessory, because you can be like, why get a tablet if you could just get a laptop? Oh, the reason why I got a tablet is because one, a laptop is really heavy, and I don't want to use a laptop to be able to be on the bed, and it bothers me a lot having a huge laptop on the bed. So that's why. Or if I wanted to read a article, I could just take that out and be able to use it and read my article as a tablet. So that's why I got the Surface 3 Pro. So I recommend this Surface 3 Pro for those who want a tablet and a computer at the same time. So if you think this review helps you out, just let me know and put a comment or like my video or subscribe. I purchased the i5 processor with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. So I'm not really a heavy user, but at least I'm in the middle. So in case I need to adds a lot of data on my Surface Pro, I'll be able to add it on my data, the storage. So yeah, so it depends on what you want to go with. This is my review, and I hope you like it, and I hope you decide on which tablet you want to get. So just depending on what tablet you're looking for, or if you're looking for a tablet / PC, I recommend getting the Surface Pro 3. I'll be posting another video when it comes to the software of this tablet, and I hope this will help you guys out decide which one you want to go with. So just wait for me to create another video for it, and I would link it on the description below, and also for the accessories that I showed you here on the video, and also where to purchase this product, you could go to Microsoft.com, or I'll give you a link on the description, and all you do is just click on it, and then just if you want to purchase it, go ahead and purchase it there. But I'll give you different models on there, so you'll choose the one that you want to go with, and just click on that. It's gonna be in Amazon, because I love Amazon, and I'll get you the right links where to find these, the actual Surface Pro, and also the accessory that I've mentioned in this video. So let's see how thin it is and light. So don't forget to like my video or comment, and also subscribe. I'm still a new YouTuber, so I'm still making this review, and hope there's more reviews I could make. So just subscribe, and hope I create more videos for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy.